Hello everyone, this video is about AI and ChatGPT. This is very interesting topic nowadays. Generally, when we use the term AI, at that time we use ChatGPT also. So in this video, I'll tell you about the artificial intelligence, that is AI, as well as ChatGPT. When we talk about AI, basically what is a AI? When we talk about the simulation of human intelligence in machines, means we are invoking the human intelligence into the machines so that those machines will think like humans, they will work like human beings. That is AI. We are using AI nowadays also in our day to day life. AI is not a new term, it was originally announced in 1956 by John McCarthy. He was a computer scientist, research scientist. He introduced this term, he announced it in an article. So we are using this technology from a long time and in our day to day life also. Like where we are using this AI technology in the computers which can perform the things which needs human intelligence. Like you must have seen the machines which can recognize patterns, can solve problems, can understand the natural languages, can make decisions also. All those are examples of AI. Now, when we talk about in our day to day life, we are using this AI technology in various areas. Like we are using in smartphones. In smartphones, we are using in various virtual assistants, like we are using Siri in Apple phones, Google Assistant, Alexa. All these are examples of AI which we are using in our smartphones. If we talk about navigation, in navigation we are using Google Maps or Apple Maps, or we are calling Uber or booking the flight ticket. In all those things we are using AI. Next is about security and surveillance. In security and surveillance, AI is used as a video monitoring softwares. There are so many video monitoring softwares which are operated by AI. Its usage is it reduces the time for the surveillance to spend on monitoring the videos, monitoring the cameras, which makes their life simpler and faster. We are also using AI in e-commerce. E-commerce means it's a straightforward example. When we swap anything in bank or sectors, then we get a message at the same time. That is AI. Next is autonomous vehicles. On autonomous vehicles, Tesla is the best example. We always talk about Tesla, it's a very good car, but actually what is it? It is based on AI. And nowadays car have IoT sensors, cameras, which makes our driving very safe and easier. So that is also an example of AI, or we can say an implementation of AI. In social media platforms, like we use Facebook, Twitter, and other platforms, all those platforms also use this AI, which is actually made intelligence, which takes all your web searches and everything else you search on these sites. So we are using AI in our day to day life, but we are not able to realize that, but actually we are. Now, whenever the term AI comes, then generally we talk about Chat GPT also. What is Chat GPT? Chat GPT is an AI system, or we can say it is a chatbot model where you can talk like humans, like you are talking to a human being. It is like human like conversation. It is actually a conversation tool or a chatbot model which was developed by OpenAI. OpenAI is a company name who created the ChatGPT and launched this tool in November 2022. The use of this tool is you can answer many questions, like you can ask your daily problems, your work assignments. You can ask ChatGPT to compose emails, writing codes, articles, all those things. So what is ChatGPT? I'll repeat. ChatGPT is an implementation of AI which was launched by OpenAI in 2022, and we can use this tool for our convenience to get the relevant answers. I'll give you one more explanation here. Like, suppose you can do this by Google also. If you say, suppose you are using Google, you have to write an article for any topic. You're writing on Google an article for elections 2024. When you write like this, you will get so many sites and so many solutions. So you have to look for the best one, and then you have to do the go further. But what ChatGPT does, ChatGPT uses an algorithm. It takes all the solutions and gives you the best one. So it makes our work easier. We just write the question and we get the answer straightforward. We don't have to look here and there. This is the benefit of using ChatGPT. Now, apart from theory, I'll show you the practical demonstration also. How can we use ChatGPT? Let's go forward. Now, here you can see on Google, I'm writing ChatGPT login. When you will search for ChatGPT login, you will get this site. Open this link. Here you can create your account by sign up. It will ask you to enter your email ID and phone number. I'm using Try It First, where I don't have to write my email ID or mobile number. Directly I can get the trial of ChatGPT. I can use that. Now here I can write the question and click on send message. This question is called the prompt and answers are called completion. I am writing a prompt, write an article on cloud computing. Now when I click on this send button, it will give me an article on cloud computing. You can write anything. It is not only technical one. It could be anything. You can ask it to write a story, an article, an email, anything. Like if you see what will be my next question with ChatGPT, I'll continue my conversation with ChatGPT. So I'm writing here, write the story of an elephant and an ant. So I get the story for elephant and an ant. So it could be anything. You can write for your kids assignment or anything, or for your own assignment, anything, and you get the answer. I'll write here again. Next I would like to write an assignment. Let it be essay. So let's see. I'm writing here. I want to get an email for advertising job vacancies. So it will show me the template or the format how to write the email for asking job vacancies to the client or to the person. So we are getting the template or the format and we can use this. This is really nice. I'll give you last one more example where I'll use an article for like an essay for kids assignment or anything. So I'm writing here essay on urban livelihood for class 8. And here I got it. So this is about ChatGPT, introduction to AI and ChatGPT. I hope you are able to understand the basics of AI and ChatGPT. So if you like this video and this knowledge is useful for you, then please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.